Hey, this is Logan Saunders with Kraken Power Washing. If you are a homeowner in the upstate of South Carolina, we want to take some time and show you guys all of our outdoor services that we do to service pool deck, outdoor living areas, fire areas, anything like that. So here we are in our outdoor area behind the house. Really beautiful house, a lot of square footage out here. Two beautiful porches covered in furniture and stuff that we moved out. We set all the furniture in the yard first, and that's kind of our first step. Clear off the whole pool deck. Get everything out of the way that might be harmful chemicals. So we got a few different processes going on right now. The first is a pool deck like this. This is actually called a cool deck. It's a concrete that's been treated on top, that way it doesn't get hot. It's got a paint on it. So what we do is we put essentially a hot house wash on it. It's a soap that's gonna fight all dirt, and it's also gonna kill any bacteria, remove those dirt bonds. Another popular service that we provide for outdoor areas is gutter cleaning. A lot of times, whether the gutters are black or white or copper or any color, they get oxidation from the sun and the moisture. And so we get in with a brush and our gutter cleaning chemical, and we just remove all of that oxidation and get everything brightened up and back to normal. So as you can see, cleaning pool decks and outdoor areas is a big part of our business, something that we love to do getting ready for summer. So if you're in the upstate and a homeowner that has anything like this, outdoor areas, patios, porches, pool decks, please give us a call. Love to come out as summer's getting started and get everything ready for you.